Are you ready for the greatest comeback of your life? Rock bottom, a place you never thought you would be. It's dark, heavy, and feels never ending. But what if I told you this isn't the end of your story? What if I told you this is the chapter just before your greatest comeback? Every great story has a turning point, and so does yours. But here is the thing, no one is coming to save you. No, no magic moments, no perfect timing, just you making a choice. Today, I'm going to tell you how to rise, how to rebuild, how to make the greatest comeback of your life. So, let's first begin with the acceptance where you are. So before we can move forward, we have to face where are we? No more running, no more hiding. Let's look in the mirror. Look at the person you are staring. That's the hero of your story. And heroes don't rise by ignoring the battle, they rise by stepping into it. You are not weak because you fell. You are strong because you are still here. So it's just about shifting your mindset. Every comeback starts in the mind first. What you believe becomes. If you tell yourself it's too late, it will be. But if you tell yourself this is my beginning, then guess what? It is. The comeback mindset isn't about ignoring pain. It's about using it. Your failures, they are lessons, and your setbacks, they are not setbacks, they are setups. You are not broken, you are becoming. So what would be the next step? We will take small relentless action, right? A comeback isn't built in a day, right? It's built in moments, small relentless steps, one choice at a time. The goal isn't to sprint. It's just to move step by step, to rebuild, to commit to one action every single day that brings you closer to the person you are meant to be. I know you must be heard about a book, Atomic Habits. Yeah. If you want, you can read that book. So what would be the first thing you need to do to rebuild yourself? First thing is to let go of the past. I know regret is a chain, it's hard. Guilt is very weight carrying. You can't build a future while carrying the past. So, what you need to do? It's simple, forgive. Not because they deserve it, but because you do. And most importantly, you need to forgive yourself. Whatever happens is already happened. You cannot change it by going into the past. So let's move forward. You need to understand your past was a lesson, not a life sentence. Everybody does mistakes. It's normal. You are a human, not AI. The next chapter is yours to write down your future, what your future will be. Okay, so surround yourself with the right energy, right? No one rises alone. Who you surround yourself with, it matters a lot. Energy is very contagious. If you sit in a room full of doubt, you will drown in it. But you stand in a room filled with belief, you will rise again. Find those who remind you of who you are becoming. It may be your friend, your parents, your sister, your cousin, your better half, whoever it should be. Talk to them, find them, and tell that you want to become, you want to rise again, right? And you are not going to who you used to be. So rebuild with purpose. Okay, a comeback isn't just about bouncing back, it's about rising higher than before. What do you want your life stand for? What do you want to become? This is your chance to rewrite your story, to live with purpose, to create something meaningful from the struggle, from the scratch. Your greatest comeback isn't about proving them wrong, it's about proving yourself right. Don't chase your past experience, your past relation, your past relationship with people. It's about you, it's about proving yourself, not to anyone. Okay, I know the pain you felt before, it was real. The fall you took, it was hard. But please hear me now. You are not finished. You are just getting started. This is your comeback story. Now go write it. Okay, we all have been there, feeling stuck, lost, or defeated. But what if this is the moment everything changes? What if your greatest comeback is right around the corner? In this video, we break down the key steps to turning your life around, rebuild with purpose, and stepping into your true potential. This is your story, your comeback, your time. Tell me in the comments what's one small step you are taking today to make your comeback happen. Let's build this journey together. So, my friend, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos that will keep you motivated and inspired.